Good morning, everybody. So, as she shared, I did not make this robot. This is a Boston Dynamics robot. There's almost 2,000 that are just like this. I run a nonprofit called Code and Circuit. It's computer science for kids. And we start kids coding at kindergarten. And then our high school students are on robotics teams. They're also coding Spot. This robot is just over 4 years old, and as I shared, this is one of 2,000 that Boston Dynamics has made, and it all started with an idea on a piece of paper by someone here in Massachusetts, and then they took that to engineers and computer scientists. They developed prototypes for the robot. Several of the prototypes failed, but they kept at it. And after years of working on it, they were able to create Spot and have it be reproduced exactly the same so that it's capable of many different things. So with its base code, it is able to walk forward, walk backward. It can go sideways in both directions. It can walk in a circle. It can go upstairs, downstairs, and it can also it's also coded to move at many different angles. So, how many of you have seen Spot before? So, you may or may not have noticed the front of Spot has the green lights. That's a battery signal for me. The back of Spot has ports because the base code lets Spot walk, but you can add things to it. You can then take it and connect it here to this port, and that gives Spot a lot more capabilities. Some of those capabilities for our high school students include coding, adding on a mini computer, and doing voice command. So they can say, Spot, walk to the other classroom, and Spot will get up and walk to the other classroom. They've also created I know many of you have done quite a bit of coding, and you've probably coded in Scratch or some sort of block coding. So our high school team created a way for Spot to be coded in Scratch. So I can open up my laptop, connect to Spot's Wi-Fi, and kids as young as 1st and 2nd grade can code Spot in Scratch. And then our high school team also created a way for, instead of Spot only operating based on code, Spot can be connected to cameras, speakers, and ChatGPT and walk around the classroom. And then without us coding it, it walks around the classroom and talks and shares what it sees. So all of those things have happened because of our students having different ideas on what they want Spot to be capable of doing.